Welcome to TMAC Virtual Service Channel. Thank you for stopping by and taking the time out to view our work at home opportunity with OutSchool. OutSchool is hiring support escalation specialists. OutSchool's company's mission is to inspire kids to love learning. They achieve this by linking learning to the kids' interests, connecting them with other classmates who share their passion, and giving them the autonomy to pick their own paths. Their small group classes meet over live video chat with teachers who celebrate their unique strengths and empower all learners to develop confidence and a strong sense of self. And in this role, they would like you to provide email support to parents and educators with complex and escalated product issues, reduce the percentage of escalated tickets by developing strategies to tackle recurring challenging issues at their root, ensuring that similar cases can be effectively handled by their outsourced team or AI in the future. Play an active role in training their outsourced agents handling escalated cases. Apply critical thinking to identify opportunities for enhancing the efficiency of workflows and processes for escalated tickets. Advocate for reducing friction in the customer experience by proactively identifying and servicing pain points. They desire you to have experience and skills to demonstrate experience as a top performer in customer support, specializing in reducing ticket escalations and driving operational efficiencies. Proven ability to handle complex and escalated customer issues with a track record of finding solutions that minimize escalations. Ability to quickly learn and demonstrate a passion for OutSchool. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, thriving in a rapidly shifting dynamic environment, track record of keeping up with product changes and evolving support processes. OutSchool recruits across the US and Canada and sets employee salaries to reflect local compensation and cost of living. For New York and California candidates, as well as candidates based in Seattle, Washington, the salary range for this role will be 75,000 to 90,000 per year. For Washington candidates outside of Seattle, as well as Colorado candidates, the salary range for this role will be 67,500 to 81,000. And their benefits include a competitive salary, stock options, and investment plans that make savings for retirement easier, comprehensive health, dental, vision, disability, and life insurance coverage options for employees and their families. Their medical benefits include fertility and family planning coverage. They also provide employees with online access to coaching and therapy sessions through their partner, Modern Health. They have PTO and family leave, enable their team to take the time that they need to recharge, relax, and spend time with family and friends. With a team of distributed across US and Canada, they create a remote culture through expansive weekly meals, virtual events, and expansible home office setup and internet allowance. Annual budget to self direct their professional development as well as the DEI learning. There's also a budget for employee learners to take classes on OutSchool. They also offer match employee donations to established charities and has committed to support OutSchool's nonprofit programs. And they talk more about different guidelines. And here's the application process where you just put in some of your information, you upload your resume, cover letter, and they ask you more questions that you need to answer. And then there's the question of why you interested in working at OutSchool, and you can just fill that out. And for this, if you're one of the people that use the the OpenAI to do a lot of your answering your questions and stuff for you, um, I would refrain from copying and pasting there because people can tell that you're using the AI chat to get your answers. So, and if you do use it, you don't want to copy and paste. Just type it out from OpenAI and just don't use the copy and paste because when you copy and paste, they know. And the demographic survey, you can answer these questions, and there's some more questions, and you can submit your application and hopefully be qualified to be the next candidate to be interviewed for this position without school. Thank you so much for all of your love that you've been giving to our channel. We are new. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your likes, your shares, and subscribes. And I appreciate every single one of you who are sharing this. This is our work at home opportunity with OutSchool, and you can apply on the tmacvipservice.com website. The link will be under virtual opportunities, and you can submit your application from there. Until then, see you next time, and happy virtual job hunting.